How to take care of the Niedz pool in a few easy steps. First, you'll find the chemicals in the basement on the table, and the netting above, the test strips, and also the key to lock the gate. There's 3 main chemicals that you will need: alkalinity, up, algicide for rainy days to prevent algae, and also pH increaser, and then your basic test strips, and I have a little sheet to read the chemicals. The first thing you want to do is test the chemicals by placing the test strip in the water and then reviewing it on the chart. In this example, you're not going to be able to see what I'm actually testing, but I could assure you that the chemicals are spot on. And when reviewing, you just line up each chemical and it will tell you if it's okay, too high, or too low. Typically, whenever you do have to add some chemicals, you'll see in this example here. For alkalinity, I have a cup. Typically, you want to add 2 scoops. So in this example, I'm just adding 1 scoop. I always dump it right on the slide and just put the chemicals right in. Anytime you add pH, you want to do it after the alkalinity, about 20 to 25 minutes later. Now this is algicide. This typically is going to help prevent algae. In an 18,000 gallon pool, which is ours, you want to do about 28 ounces. So I just dump a little bit into the slide here. And what that does is it helps prevent algae. We get a lot of rainfall, so it can help cloud the pool. Another thing you want to do is pull the tray up and pull out and dump the leaves over the fence. Also adding chlorine, that will be on the side. You simply unscrew the cap. As you notice, there's only a couple tablets left in here, 3-inch chlorine tablets. You change them about once a week. You're gonna put 8 in. So in this example, I'm adding about 8. And once you have all the chlorine in, go ahead and screw the cap back on. In this next example, here's how you turn on the slide right underneath it. Just crank it to the left. Look at that, beautiful. Now this is gonna be how to vacuum. You'll again have to empty the tray. In this example, make sure the slide is turned off. Here's the equipment here. That's the hose that we're gonna suction into where the tray was. This is what's gonna go ahead and suck. And then go ahead and just insert the pool, which is universal for the other tools, onto the vacuum head. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is hook the hose to the vacuum head, as shown. And then you're gonna place this in the water before we actually connect the hose to get proper suction. So just place it in the water until it hits the ground. I normally rest the pool against the slide to prevent it from falling in. And then you take the end of the hose and over where you remove the filter tray, first place the hose in the water, and then you just put it down until it sucks, and you'll hear the water start to come out. So now you're all set to vacuum. Typically the dirt is gonna fall in the left-hand corner. That's the primary area where it does rest. So you simply just very slowly move the vacuum head. And then when you're done, you pull it out. Pull the vacuum head out first, and then the next step is to pull the suction out. Place the tray back in and put your cover back on. There is another filter located over by the jump rock you'll want to change daily. And last thing, check the water level. There's an arrow above the second screw. If there's not enough water, just go ahead and throw the hose in for about 4 or 5 hours. Last but not least, enjoy our beautiful pool. Thanks for the help, we appreciate it.